Hello and welcome back. So this is going to be my makeup collection and storage video. I will be showing you what I have behind me in my makeup collection. I have done this video 2 other times, and the last time I did it, I actually gave you a whole tour of my room here. So if you're interested, check that out. I will link it below, and I will just show you how I store my makeup, which is obviously right behind me. And I will also be pointing out where I strategically place my project pan items for ease of use. So yeah, let me show you. Okay, so this is the overview of my vanity. This is a Revlon mirror from Target. This vanity was on clearance at Home Goods for pretty cheap. Turns out these drawers are very difficult to open and they shake the whole thing, so I don't even use those, sadly, but that's okay. So I'm gonna zoom you in different parts and show you what I have. So here I keep Q-tips and these palette holders. Here I have this blush palette. This just doesn't fit anywhere else. And then this is where I keep my Pan That palette for easy use. And then this is where I keep whatever other palette I am either trying to hit pan on or whatever. I keep makeup wipes here just in case. And then this is where I keep other things that I reach for every day or in project pans. This is my ambient lighting palette. I use that every day. This is my Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is my butter bronzer. I am still trying to pan this, even though it's not actually in a project. This is my only under eye powder, so I keep that handy. There's a moisturizer back there. This container here, this is all of my foundations sit here. I only have 6, so I just keep them all there. This is where I keep other everyday things. Liquid eyeliner, brow gel, black eyeliner, and brow pencil. I keep my eye primer right in front. And then here's where I keep mascara. Here I keep my liquid highlighter and my only face primer. Right out front, I keep my only 2 concealers. e.l.f. setting spray. I haven't been able to find a good spot for my eyelash curlers, so I just keep them sitting here. Okay, on this side of my vanity, I keep all of my brushes there. I keep my Morphe spray here because it doesn't fit in that white container that you saw over there. Tissues, and then this little basket, I keep my sponge tip applicators. As you know, I use those for my lid shade every day. A moisturizer, this is where I keep my beauty sponge. I have a little container for it so that it doesn't get everywhere. This is the blush I'm panning. This is the highlighter I'm panning. My face oil and a chapstick. So this is the top of my IKEA drawer. I have 2 IKEA drawers, but the one over here is not makeup. It's other miscellaneous stuff, paperwork and blah, blah, blah. But this one is all makeup. So on top of that, I keep my makeup basket for my Shop by Stash. That just sits right here. This used to hold my lipsticks, but I decided I didn't like that because I would run my hand into the makeup basket trying to get them out. So you'll see those down below. This is empty though. Here I keep my lip glosses. Here I keep my Morphe liquid lipsticks just because they don't fit in my other liquid lipstick container. These are other brushes. Now these are all clean and I'm not using them now. If I decide I want to trade out a brush, I wash whichever one I don't want from there, put it here and take out whatever else. So these are clean brushes I'm not currently using. This is just my sunscreen. This is the Kopari lip glossy. And then this is the sharpener for lip pencils. Oh, and I have a sharpener right here for eyeliner. And this cup with the letter I, this, which is what my name starts with, by the way. This is something my sister got me, and I decided to use it for liquid lipsticks. So in here I have liquid lipsticks. I don't want to have these laying down. I used to do that with my liquid lipsticks, and then a few of them leaked. So I like to keep liquid lipsticks and lip glosses standing up. Okay, so this is the same view of my IKEA units. I have the 5 drawer. Like I said, 2 of them. That one is not makeup. This one's not makeup, but this is all makeup. Here's my makeup basket again. So let me show you what's in the drawers. This first drawer, this is miscellaneous products like my Stila glitters and colorful eyeliners. This is all my blushes here. And then these 3 are blush palettes. And then this is all bronzer and contour products. And then right there, I have a beauty sponge I'm not using and an extra eyelash curler. Okay, so this drawer is lipsticks. This is all tube lipsticks. And then my 2 lip liners, that is a utensil holder that you see there. And yeah, I don't mind having these laying down, but like I said, I don't like the liquid lipsticks laying down. This is my highlighter drawer, and I'm pretty excited about this because as you see this red here, that is a towel, and I saw Too Much Tosh. She put down some velvet on her drawers, and I just decided to use a kitchen towel, and it keeps them from sliding around, and it looks kind of cool. So I was pretty excited about this. Okay, the last 2 drawers are eyeshadow palettes. And as you can see, that is a shoebox right there with some palettes. In the back, you see my Jaclyn Hill palette and a Davina palette. These over here are my magnetic palettes that sit right there. Alrighty, last drawer. So these little gray plastic things are from Target. So up front here, I have my 2BH Cosmetics palettes and then my Juvia's Place in between this Profusion palette because it really doesn't fit anywhere else, but that works well. And then this other plastic container here, I have smaller palettes like my Tarte palettes and ColourPop back here, and then the smaller Too Faced palettes. Okay, so that is it for my makeup collection and storage. I try to keep it fairly organized, but it has to be functional for me, so it's not super clean and organized, but it works well for me. So yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.